Okay, Laura.
How can I help?
Find radio station.
Please say the name of the FM or DAB station.
Frequency 1.
Frequency 1.
Okay, Laura.
How can I help?
Find coffee shop nearby.
Search for cafe nearby. Please select a POI from the list.
Okay, Laura.
How can I help?
Find petrol station.
Search for petrol station nearby. Starting direct route guidance. What can I do for you?
Call Philip.
One moment, please.
Okay.
Drive me to the nearest cash machine.
Search for cash machine nearby.
Where is the nearest bookshop?
Search for bookshop nearby. How can I help?